Hello, this is Dr. Oz. In this video, I would like to solve the homework number 2. Let's start with question number 1. So imagine the data set. We have these values based on Tukey's method or box plot method. Which ones are outliers? So let's create a quick small Excel file here to be able to answer this question. So let's enter the data that we have. We have 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, and 25. So if we calculate the quartile number 1, quartile number 3 into quartile range, and then we can calculate the lower fence and upper fence based on these values. So let's start with quartile number 1, quartile including right here, and let's calculate the first quartile. Boom, 7 is the quartile number 1. Quartile number 3 is highlight the array, comma, third quartile, 12. Interquartile range is this minus this. The lower fence is going to be this minus 1.5 times this. And then upper fence will be quartile number 3 plus 1.5 times interquartile range. So everything less than negative 0.5 and more than 19.5 is a outlier. So if we go back to our problem, 25 is the only number that is beyond those thresholds. So answer is D. Question number 2. So what does this do? So basically what we are doing is data frame, which is like an Excel worksheet in Python, create a column called outlier column and get those values from, go back to data frame that we have and look at the column labeled transaction amount and then check those values one by one to make sure that if they are less than lower bound that we calculated, or same column if they are greater than the upper bound that we calculated, determine that value as an outlier. Otherwise, do not determine or do not record them as an outlier. So the answer is C. It flags each transaction as an outlier or not based on Tukey's method. Okay. Question number 3. A nutritionist is analyzing the sodium content in milligrams of 50 breakfast cereals. The data shows that while most cereals have moderate sodium levels, a few cereals contain extremely high amounts, creating a right skewed distribution. So if we have outliers, we prefer to use median so that we are not impacted by those outliers so much. Question number 4. A nutrition researcher records the sugar content in grams for 7 cereal brands. What are the mean, median, and mode numbers? So mode is very easy, most repeated number, which is 7. That will eliminate answer B and C. And if you look at the mean average value, 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 7, 15, plus 7, 22, plus 9, 31, plus 12, 43, plus 20, 63. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations. 63 divided by 7 is 9. So the answer is A. In other words, another way to do this would be using your Excel. Let's enter the data here. 3, 5, 7, 7, 9. 12, and 20. If I type average, mode, and median, so average is nothing more than average function in Excel. This is my array. So you can see the average is 9. The mode, you just put mode function in Excel and highlight this, 7. And the median function in Excel will give you 7 as median as well. So the correct answer is A. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.